Welcome to the CSI Linux Certified Computer Forensic Investigator, CSIL-CCFI, exam. Hey there, future forensic expert. You're about to embark on a riveting challenge, the CSIL-CCFI exam. This isn't just any test, it's your chance to prove the depth of your knowledge, your analytical prowess, and your commitment to the world of computer forensics. 2 shots at mastery. You've got 2 solid attempts to conquer this exam. Don't fret, stay focused, and remember the knowledge and techniques you've acquired throughout your journey. The finish line to certification is in sight. Success calls for a little more. Once you've successfully navigated through the exam and earned that triumphant pass, there's a small but important step awaiting. We're eager to hear your thoughts on the exam experience. Fill out the exam feedback and let us know how it felt, what surprised you, and any areas where you think we could spice things up. Once you've shared your insights, the gates to your downloadable CSIL-CCFI certification will swing wide open. Didn't make the cut? No sweat. Every setback is a setup for a grand comeback. If you don't clear the exam in the first 2 tries, we've got an engaging path for you to earn another shot. Dive into the world of Linux open source tools and craft a walkthrough on a tool that snugly fits into a traditional computer forensics course. By sharing knowledge, you not only reinforce what you know but also help the community, and in return, we grant you another opportunity to tackle the exam. A quick pep talk. Whether it's your first or second attempt, remember, exams are just markers on your learning journey. They aren't the destination. Embrace the challenge, give it your best, and know that the CSI Linux community is cheering you on. Get set, breathe deep, and let your knowledge shine. Best of luck, forensic aficionado. Warmly, the CSI Linux team.